Hey, have you ever gone all day and all night without sleeping? How did you feel the following day? Tired, brain fog, fatigue, irritable, poor memory, and judgment? And how about your blood pressure? Did it increase with a lack of sleep? Research now shows that adequate sleep is essential for health and longevity. During the time of sleep, many functions occur that are necessary for good health. Sleep allows the body time needed to repair and restore damaged tissues and cells, as well as to regulate hormones. During sleep, the brain organizes information learned into the long-term memory. Studies have shown that sleep deprivation may contribute to the development of obesity, diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, and depression. Lack of sleep may indeed shorten your lifespan. So here is the solution to ensure restful and adequate sleep. Develop a routine. Consume your last meal 4 to 5 hours before bedtime. Turn off the lights 1 to 2 hours before midnight. Disconnect from the cares of the world. Think good thoughts. Develop a positive attitude of forgiveness. Meditate and be thankful. Shh. Good night. Sweet dreams. Get healthy with Dr. Cooper.